My name is Laura Graham with Laura Gray Glassworks. I make these glass strands that hopefully you have in your store. One of the questions I get asked a lot is, how do you clean them? Number one, you could actually dunk this whole thing in soapy water if you want, because this is a stainless steel cord. It's not going to rust. And aluminum crimps, that's not going to rust either. Natural driftwood, won't hurt to get wet, and then you've got glass. So if you've got a situation where maybe there's smokers in the building or something like that, and you've got a film on here you want to clean off, just use some Dawn dish soap, stick it in the sink, scrub them off, rinse it off, hang it. If you've got hard water, you probably want to pat them dry, and if not, just let them hang and dry. So the other thing I wanted to point out to you is that these are not as fragile as they look. You can hang around. I don't recommend doing this a lot, but the one way that you can actually destroy these is to drop it on yourself. So you want to make sure that you've got a finger through the ring or a loop at the top. So as far as cleaning, what you're going to do is in your store, your galleries are probably going to be whipping up a little dust from time to time. So all you need to do is just get yourself a little Swiffer or feather duster and hold the end. Done. Easy peasy. So that's all there is to it. Did want to mention these are indoor-outdoor. So outdoor, same thing. Just take your little feather duster to it once in a while. You could even hose these down if you wanted to. Totally waterproof. Thanks for listening.